Welcome back to my channel Bfix. So today we have Sony earphones.
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
So Sony stereo headphones, it's an in-ear earphones, and this is very retro, I would say, because nowadays people are using earbuds. Okay, but today we are going to demonstrate Sony retro earbuds MDR-EX14AP. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, we'll do the before unboxing, we'll see what's inside. It says Sony trademark registered for smartphones. There's a star in there. Then comfortable fit stereo headphones MDR-EX14AP. Okay, so this is relatively low price. It's around $10. It's a Sony branded, so you can imagine it's a very good quality earphones. And it says it has noise isolation. It's not noise cancellation, it has noise isolation. Noise isolation means those earbuds, those ear cups basically will filter out the noise from outside. And it has the hands-free, so you can basically there is a button on the microphone, so you can basically press the button and automatically the call will be accepted. Okay, so that is it. Handphones, hands-free, phone calls, noise isolation. Okay, again, it is not noise cancellation. Okay, so let's see the specification. Specification is sensitivity is basically 100 dB per milliwatts. Frequency response, and that is frequency response is around 8 Hz to 22 kilohertz. Okay, so that means it will provide you CD quality audio, which is really good, high-res audio nearly. So why I am saying 22 kilohertz is okay, because the Shannon 9 Quest theorem says if the CD quality is 44 kilohertz, then sample unit of the source is 44 kilohertz, you need half of this frequency range on your earphones to listen the high quality audio from that source. So here it is 22 kilohertz. That means if your CD has a rate of 44 kilohertz, you will be able to hear this. So this is pretty good, and pretty good. And cable length is 1.2 millimeter. 1.2 meter. It's a long cable, and it's a Y type cable. It's a stereo headphones. Okay, so there is like two buds in there, and then there are like two sets of earbuds, small, medium, and large, so you can fit your earbuds correctly in there. Okay, so it's a genuine Sony smartphone earphones. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so they say there you can see no more than 5% plastic in this packaging, so it is very in a sense environmental friendly. Okay, so here again it says L-shaped 4-pole mini plug. So 4-pole means there are like 4 connection. Okay, one for my this microphone, one for controlling, and 2 other from left and right. Okay, so let's open it and just see what's inside. Really, here it says to open. So first of all, I need to cut down. I will not cut down the plastic. What I'll do, I will try to pull up this. Okay, yeah, there's no other option. So this basically Sony basically makes sure if you pull out the you know what I mean, this, it will basically be noticeable. Okay, so here you go. I'll see what's inside. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, here you go, the whole packaging in here, and I can see there is a manual in here. Okay, let me open the manual first, as I know you will never open and see this one anyway, but who cares, let's go with it. So here you can see small, medium, and large. There's a pattern on the earbud, you can see. Okay, I don't know what kind of pattern it is, but there is a pattern. Okay, So here is just a little bit of diagram how you will set it. That's it. This is multifunction button, touch multifunctional button. That's it. There is a microphone is on your controller button. That's it. And you can basically adjust this one. Anyway, that's it. Let's open the earphone. So it is, oh okay, so everything is inside, looks like. So here you can see extra 2 pairs in there with the pattern. Probably I will not need it. And here is the earphone. So the finish is pretty good. It's like Sony. It's really Sony. It's not like Sony, it's a Sony. So you can see the quality finish is very good. This is glossy. Oh my goodness, it is really good. It's well made, really. And here you go, the inside you can see there is a filter in there, right? You can see a filter in there, okay? And it's also same here, there is a filter in there. So both, you can see how glossy is that. Holy moly, you can see light the reflecting. And there is a Sony logo in there, okay? And there is a sign, it's a right bar and it's a left bar, so you don't mistake. Okay, so this is the microphone here, and this is the controlling button. Controller button is also glossy, you can see. So when you listen the music, you will probably using this one. You can increase the volume, long press and short press, you can pause it, so all of those stuff. Okay, another thing is here you can see the adjustable for the Y hook. You can use this one to adjust. Okay, so there is something written, okay, Vietnam it is written, so it's made in Vietnam. So as you guys know, Sony has a plant in Vietnam. It's made in Vietnam. Okay, so yes, it is one, I would say it says 2 meter, 1.2 meter. It's really 1.2 meter. It's very long. You can see. You can see it is very long. It's very long. So you can basically use it anywhere you want. It is a nice earbud. Okay, with very low money you pay, low price. So okay, here I have a Sony, it's a Sony, I have a Sony phone, so I'll use that Sony phone. It has a 2mm headphone jack, so I put it in here. Okay, and as you can see, I will see how the audio quality is. I probably have a music player where I have some high-res video, high-res audio. This is music center is from Sony itself. Okay, so Bluetooth connection is unavailable. Okay, so I don't know what it is really. Anyway, so let's play some music. My library. Okay, here you can see I probably have some high-res here, the 7-string high-res. I will play it. Which one is left, which one is right? Ready? Left. Okay, let me. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is a really good, brilliant quality audio. You can, I cannot see, probably you can hear from me. Holy smoke, it is very good quality audio, like a super quality audio. I can tell you this one, it's really feels like very good quality audio. Anyway, that's it guys. It's Sony MDR-EX14AP. It's a cheap earphone, but it's value for your money. And obviously if your earbud has lots of trouble, you need to charge it, you need to put whenever you need to play it, use it, you might need to recharge it every time. This earbud doesn't have any kind of, earphone doesn't have any kind of hassle. This one is just pure CD quality audio. You should use it. Bye bye everyone, take care.